If you're wondering how to add annual leave in Xero, you're in the right place. Whether you're new to Xero or just need a quick refresher, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can easily manage employee leave. Stick around, because we'll also talk about a few useful tips to make your experience smoother and more efficient in the long run. First, to get started, log into your Xero account and head to the payroll section. If you're not familiar with the layout, don't worry. The interface is user-friendly, and adding leave is straightforward once you know where to look. In the payroll menu, you'll see a list of employees. Choose the one whose annual leave you'd like to add. Once you've selected the employee, look for the Leave tab on their profile. This is where you can manage all types of leave, including annual leave. If you're having trouble finding it, just remember it's under the payroll settings. Now, let's focus on how to add the leave. Click on the Add Leave button, which will open a window where you can select the type of leave. For annual leave, make sure you choose the correct leave type from the drop-down menu. This is crucial because Xero supports different leave types, and you want to ensure you're tracking the right one. Next, enter the number of days or hours the employee is taking off. Xero allows you to track both, so it's flexible whether your employees are on full or half days. If the leave is for a specific period, make sure you enter the start and end dates accurately. This ensures everything is recorded properly for your reports. Once that's done, hit the Save button. You'll see the leave entry appear in the employee's leave summary, and it will also adjust their available leave balance automatically. It's important to note that Xero will update the employee's balance in real time, so you'll always know how much leave they've used and how much is remaining. Now, if you're handling multiple employees, it's a good idea to check the leave balances regularly to make sure everything is up to date. This helps avoid any surprises when it comes to employee requests. Additionally, you can set up leave approval workflows to ensure that no leave is taken without proper approval. Xero gives you the flexibility to customize these workflows based on your business needs. One of the great things about Xero is that it integrates seamlessly with other aspects of your payroll system. For example, when annual leave is taken, Xero will automatically factor this into the payroll calculations. This means your employee will be paid correctly without you needing to manually adjust anything. You can also easily run reports to track all the leave taken across your organization. This is especially useful for managers and HR departments who need an overview of employee leave for planning and compliance purposes. It's an efficient way to ensure everything is in order. If you're new to Xero, you might find the interface intuitive and easy to navigate. However, if you're looking for more advanced features like customizing leave policies or automating notifications, Xero offers these options as well. You can explore them as your comfort with the software grows. To wrap things up, if you're just getting started with Xero, or if you want to make your payroll and leave management even easier, you can try this software completely free. Check out the first link below for an exclusive bonus offer, including a free trial to get you started with all the features you need. In summary, adding annual leave in Xero is quick and simple. Just navigate to the payroll section, select your employee, and enter the leave details. And remember, if you want to get started with Xero today, you can do so for free with our extended trial offer. Don't miss out on this opportunity to streamline your payroll and leave management with Xero.